Good morning. Good morning, my dear students. So, today we are going to discuss our last chapter in this year. It is matter and materials. Matter and materials. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about matter and different states of matter and uh, what happens when if we can change the states of matter, and also what about the solutions. These are the three things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So we know that in our daily life we see all types of things in around us, isn't it? Chair, book, liquid forms, water, air, but where we can see, isn't it? So these are the things are called matter. These are the things are called matter. Generally we can say these are all matter. So what do you mean by matter? Matter is something, it has mass and it occupies a space. Matter is something that has mass and occupies space. So it is matter. So if you want to give any definition for matter, this is the definition. Simply again, what is matter? Matter is something that has mass, or it has mass and that occupies space is called matter. Okay, this is the introduction. And what are the three states of matter? Before that, so everything is made up of small particles. They are called molecules. We cannot see with our naked eyes. We cannot see the molecules with our naked eyes. Okay, so matter is exist in three states, mainly in three states. Okay, so they are, you also heard about that, isn't it? Yes. So there are three states of matter, mainly three states of matter. First one is solid, liquid and gas. So this this difference is based on the molecules present in it. Okay, that is, molecules means matter is made up of very tiny particles. They are called molecules. So what do you mean by molecules? Molecules are what? The matter is made up of very tiny particles. That tiny particles, very small particles, are called what? Molecules. Okay, so we cannot see this with our naked eyes, isn't it? These molecules cannot see with our naked eyes. According to this molecules, arrangement of molecules, the matter is categorized into three, mainly what? Solid, liquid and gas. So let us take what is solid. Let us now look at it. Let us now look solid. What does solid? Yes. In solids, molecules are closely packed. Molecules are closely or rigidly packed. There is no distance between the molecule particle. They are closely packed. Example, stone, wood. They are examples of solid. So in which molecules are closely packed, and due to this type of arrangement, solids have definite shape. Solids have definite shape, and also they occupy in definite what? Space. Okay, so solids have definite shape and it occupies in definite space. So this is the features of solid state. And second one is liquid. So you know any examples of liquid state? Water. Simple example is water. So in liquids, or in example in water, molecules are arranged but less closely arranged. Molecules are less closely arranged in than solids. Solidsനെ അപേക്ഷിച്ച് less closely arranged. Okay, liquids occupy a definite liquid occupies a definite space, but they do not have definite shape. They do not have definite shape. So when we pour some water into a vessel, it occupies the shape of the vessels. When we pour this water into a glass, it occupies the shape of the glass. So that means they take the shape of the container in which they are kept. So liquids are occupy or obtain the shape. They take the shape. Liquids are take the shape that the container in which they are kept. Okay, so liquids have what? Liquids have definite what? Definite space, but they do not have definite shape. Okay, this is liquid. And what is gas? In which the molecules are wide apart, arranged wide apart, very long distance, in which molecules are arranged in very long distances. Molecules in a gas are wide apart. Gas has neither definite shape nor do they occupy in definite space. Okay, gas have neither a definite shape nor do they occupy a definite space. Okay, these are the three states of matter. Three states of matter. Okay, now how to change the state of matter? So we can easily change the state of matter of water. Yes, so we can change the state of matter by give temperature or remove temperature or reduce temperature by boiling or by cooling. So if we take water, we just put it into a fridge. That means it just cooling. It is going to cooling. That means it get into water. Liquid state becomes what? Solid. It becomes ice, isn't it? So it becomes solid state. And if we boil it, what happens? This water after 100 degrees Celsius, it becomes vaporizes. That means gaseous state. So we can change the states of matter by boiling and cooling. Matter can exist in different states. For example, water can exist in all three states. The three states of water can interchange on heating and or cooling. Water is a liquid. When it is heated, it changes into water vapor. I already said. And when water is cooled, it changes to ice, which is a solid. Okay. Similarly, wax is solid. When we heat it, it becomes what? It becomes liquid. And also again we can cool, it becomes solid. Middle. Okay, so this is the change. This is the change of what? States of matter. Okay.